In this question, you're given the definition of f of x. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, x plus 2k if x is greater than 2. So f of x is a piecewise defined function. F of x is a piecewise defined function which has a boundary of 2. Before 2 you have a definition, after 2 you have another definition. And limit extends to 2, f of x exists. Then what is the value of k? So we have already seen that for piecewise defined functions, so you have to find the right limit and left limit. So limit extends to 2, f of x exists. That means that the right limit is same as the left limit. So let us find the right hand limit first. So limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus fx in the positive neighborhood of 2 is x plus 2k, right? So is equal to, so there is no indeterminacy here, so we can do the direct substitution. So 2 plus 2k. So the right hand limit is 2 plus 2k. So what is the left hand limit? Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus. So as x tends to 2 minus, what is the f of x? It is in the left neighborhood of 2. What is the definition of the function? So as x is less than 2, the definition is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3, which is equal to, if you substitute x is equal to 2, you get 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 7. So if this limit has to exist, the right hand limit has to be equal to the left hand limit, right? So this implies 2 plus 2k has to be equal to 7. So this implies k has to be equal to 5 by 2. So if this limit has to exist, my k has to be equal to 5 by 2. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.